In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design sports poster in Canva. We'll start by opening a sports poster template in Canva so you have a solid base to work from. Pick a layout that matches the vibe of your sport, knowing you can reshape everything as you go. Begin by changing the background color of your page. Select the canvas, open the color picker, and choose a bold hue that complements your team or event. Aim for strong contrast so your subject and text stand out clearly. Next, upload your main image. Drag it onto the canvas and place it roughly where you want it. With the image selected, use background remover to cut out the subject. If needed, clean up edges with the eraser and restore brushes for a crisp cutout. Crop away any extra parts you don't need, then resize the subject to establish a clear focal point. Slightly offset positioning often looks more dynamic than a perfect center. With the image still selected, open Edit Photo, choose Duotone, and apply a preset that supports your color scheme. Adjust the highlight and shadow colors and intensity until the subject feels cohesive with the background. Now, go to Apps, search for Image Blender, and open it. Select the Linear Blend option. Drag the on-screen dots to control where the blend starts and ends, and fine-tune the strength slider so the effect looks smooth, not overpowering. Click Save to apply. Upload your second image for layering. Remove its background as well, then open Edit Photo, go to Shadows, and choose Drop Shadow. Adjust offset, angle, blur, and transparency so the subject feels grounded with subtle depth. Resize and reposition both images until the composition feels balanced and energetic. Add your text by opening text and adding a heading. Type your title or team name. Switch to a strong, sporty font, then change the text color to a shade that contrasts with the background and supports your palette. Open Effects and apply a shadow text effect to boost readability. Tweak distance, direction, and transparency to taste. Resize the text, rotate it slightly, and move it toward a corner or along an angle to enhance motion. Finally, add a few simple elements like lines, shapes, or accents to introduce detail and rhythm. Reposition them to frame the action and guide the eye, and change their colors to match your design. And that's it. You've created a bold, layered sports poster with clean cutouts, color-treated images, dynamic text, and crisp details, all inside Canva.